In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move trash mail to your inbox in Gmail. We'll take you through each step clearly and precisely, ensuring that you can effortlessly move important emails back to your inbox, right where they belong. Now, let's jump right into it. First, you're going to open up Gmail. You'll be greeted by your usual inbox setup, where, to the left of your screen, you'll find the menu bar. Here, what you want to do is locate the More option. This acts as a toggle to reveal additional folders that might not be immediately visible in the left-hand column. Once you click on More, you'll get a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of folders. From this list, look for and select the Trash folder. Once you've navigated to the Trash folder, the next step is to locate the specific email you want to move. You'll notice that all your deleted emails are listed here in chronological order. To the left of each email, you'll see a checkbox. Simply check the box next to the email you wish to move back to your inbox. If you prefer a closer look at the email before moving it, go ahead and click on the email to open it. This will give you a full preview of the contents, ensuring it's indeed the email you want to recover. Now that you've selected the email, turn your attention to the toolbar, located at the top of your screen. Among the icons, you'll spot the Move To button. It's easily recognizable with its folder shape adorned with an arrow. Click on this button, and you'll see a drop-down menu emerge, listing different folders into which you can relocate your email. From the list of options in the drop-down, you should select Inbox. By doing this, you're instructing Gmail to transfer the chosen email from the Trash folder back to your inbox. Once this action is completed, you'll find that the email has successfully moved out of Trash and can now be found right back in your inbox. And that's it. You've now effectively moved an email from the trash back to your inbox in Gmail. This straightforward process is particularly handy for those instances where you might have accidentally deleted an email or changed your mind about purging it permanently. By following these steps, you're ensuring important communications are easily retrievable and accessible whenever you need them. Remember, the Gmail interface is designed for user convenience, so feel free to explore its features further to make email management even more seamless for you. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy emailing.